Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear countrymen, Assalamu alaikum. This is Jamal Takkko, Deputy President PM, Pakistan Awami Inqilab Movement, extending best regards on behalf of President Agha and Syed and on my own behalf. Here I am saying few words which would show the real face of one precise leader of PPPP. Before I read this letter, I would like to thank few domains including Google, Yahoo, AOL and YouTube, Skyblog and other domains through which my message is being delivered to millions of people out there. Now, please listen to the contents of the letter which I am about to read for you all. First the comments and then the letter, please. Benazir Bhutto's letter to Peter Galbraith. Today the following letter from Benazir to Peter Galbraith, former US ambassador with posts in the UN in first Bush administration, has been circulating in the Pakistan media. The intention is obviously to Benazir's name, but the contents of the letter is especially meaningful. Among other things, she asks Galbraith to persuade the Indian Prime Minister at the time, VP Singh, to engage with the Pakistani army on the border so that they do not impede my way. Of course, it would not be possible to Benazir's good name if she did not make it so very easy. The letter, which is copied below, is dated 24/9/1990, 1 month after Benazir's first government was thrown out. Now, the letter, please. Mrs. Benazir Bhutto, Bilawal House, Karachi. Dear Peter Galbraith, I don't know how to thank you for your so many favors to me and my family. As you know that the orders of my dismissal with draft in the JUG branch of the GHQ. And it was not possible for me to pull along with the army, and they subverted my government. I have already communicated to various friends in the Congress and especially Stephen Sorensen to use their good office with President Bush so as to put maximum pressure on President Ishaq and the army in Pakistan that they do not disqualify me from the election, as it will be unjust and negation of all democratic principle for which we have struggled. It would be most appropriate if military as well as economic assistance to Pakistan is stopped and all the international agencies like the World Bank, IMF, are told to squeeze the government of Pakistan. And if possible, all supply to Pakistan should be disturbed so that the normal life is Pakistan come to stand still. As long as I was the Prime Minister, I kept a check on the nuclear device. But now I do not know what are the plan of the government. The suspensions of F-16 and its spare will bring the army to its senses. Dear Peter, please use your influence on VP Singh, the Indian Prime Minister, to engage the Pakistan army on the border so that they do not impede my way. I wish Rajiv Gandhi has been the Prime Minister of India things would have been easier. Thank you, and with warm regards, sincerely your Benazir Bhutto. So, this is not fair. This is not fair with the Pakistan. For God's sake, we respect a lot to Madam Bhutto and his father. But this is not the way to play with the Pakistan. I request all the politicians in Pakistan, do not play with the nation and with the Pakistan. Be honest with them. We are Pakistanis and we love our country. This is too much. Love your country by heart, by soul. It's your country. If countries live, we live. We have the best country in the world, like a paradise. So don't destroy this country. Guide the people of Pakistan on the right way. Love the people of the Pakistan. Be honest with them. So this is it. Now I would like to leave with prayer. We all will be honest with our country and people of the country, nation of the country. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.